Hey everybody, we are doing 23 times 6 and we are using partial products. The first step is to take that 23 and split it up into parts. And in other words, we're going to take it and put it into expanded form. And then the 6 is just a 6, you don't really have to split it up. So looking at that 23, the 2 is really a 20. So we're going to put 20 in the green box, and then the 3 is a 3. And what we just did there is we took 23 and we put it into expanded form. So 23 is really 20 plus 3. These guys are on the same team, they're next to each other, and they're each going to multiply against the 6. And the 6 goes down here in the red box. Now you can see, because of the arrows, what we're going to do. So we're going to do 20 times 6, and we'll put that here. So green versus red. And then we're going to do 3 times 6 and put that here. So all we're doing is splitting this up and multiplying one at a time. 20 times 6, and then 3 times 6. And then you just add it together at the end. So feel free to pause the video, try it on your own and check in, or you can do it with me right now. So for 20 times 6, you're going to just forget about the 0 for a sec and do 2 times 6. Put that here and then just stick the 0 back on. 2 times 6 is 12. Therefore 20 times 6 is 120. And then 3 times 6 is 18. There we go. So 20 times 6 is this, 3 times 6 is this, 20 times 6, 3 times 6, and now you're just going to add it all together. Starting on the right, 0 plus 8, 2 plus 1, and 1 plus nothing. And that's how you do the partial products, 2 digits times 1 digit. Keep watching the videos if you want to see harder questions. We'll get into 2 times 2 and 3 times 1. And feel free to click on the description if you want to get all 6 of these.